Right guys, I thought I'd make a quick video on fitting Ar1 tyres, some Rotor Torque alloys. So the green thing that I'm using there is to remove the valve. You want the valve removed because it's going to be easier to get the tyre off with the valve removed. I'm spraying a mixture of washing up liquid and water around the edge of the tyre just to make it easier to pop it off the bead. So you'll notice I've got plastic around the arm of the, I don't even know what you call it, but basically where it's pushing on the tyre, I've got the plastic around there just to stop it from damaging the rim. You want to watch out for the valve as well, make sure you don't damage that. So then you want to do the same on the other side. Sometimes it can be a little bit stubborn. If it is a little bit stubborn in one place, move to another area like I've just done, and then see if it goes in that place. But if you keep on moving it around, it should go eventually. Maybe try a bit more water. So once you've got that done, you then want to mount it to the manual tyre changer. I use a centering, like a chamfered centering ring to center the rim and then lock that on top. I use a manual tyre changer. I use an adapter which was double the price of what I paid for the manual tyre changer for the duck head. And then I'm using a crowbar to pull the tyre over the duck head, and then spraying a bit more again. Then as soon as you start that, you want to move the crowbar out. If you're getting it a little bit, there's a plastic clamp which holds the tyre in the centre of the rim, and then you want to lift the tyre up and then do the same on the bottom, but you're lifting it over. You don't want to swap the wheel, flip the wheel over. That can be a little bit awkward. But then again, once you get started again, pull the crowbar out and then remove the bar on the tyre or pop off. Then you want to remove the duck head, clean all of the water. You don't want any water inside of the tyre. And then you'll see I'm fitting Ar1's. These are quite stiff on the sidewall. So a lot of people say they can't be fitted by a manual tyre changer, but as you can see, it can be done. So you want to make sure that you're check the tyre for the inside and outside. Either that or check for a rotational arrow. And then it'll take two of you with semi-slick tyres as the sidewall's stiffer. But once you pop it on, lubricate the other side again. I'm using tyre sealer for that. And then push down and fit the duck head adapter. And then it's a case of going around a little bit until the tyre seat's on. I don't know what they're called, but they're plastic adapters that hold the tyre down into the centre of the rim a bit more, because the centre of the rim is smaller in diameter than the outer of the rim. And then you want to continue round until the bead pops onto the rim. Remove your duck head adapter. Fill the tyre with air until it pops into place. And then it's just a case of cleaning your wheel up. And I use a bubble balancer to balance the wheels. You can find these on eBay for about £50–60. They can be a little bit tricky to use, but yeah, as you can see, no damage at all to the rim. There you go. Ar1's fitted to Rotor Torque alloys.